your gun on you?
Yeah. You back us up. Keep going. Keep going.
Push it.
Oh shit.
Do you have your gun?
Huh? Yeah, I do. What the fuck is that? You see it?
No.
Dude, whatever it was tearing that up. I kind of want to go over here, show her, and walk over there. Brave enough to do it?
Yeah. You said that was people? That was not people. And that sounded like a monkey.